Hello everybody, it is Miguel of Rome Tuck, and today I am making another video, guys. I know, I just made one right here. But it is also about the subreddit, guys, because I am now a moderator. That's right. The creator of this subreddit, who is also a moderator, invited me to become a moderator, guys. This is crazy. I am now the moderator of my own subreddit, guys. So, if you don't know what a moderator is, they basically control the subreddit. They can do whatever they want. Right now, me and him are the only ones. So you see we have mod tools. We can change anything we want. We can approve of messages. We can remove things. We can report stuff as spam. We have a lot of things we can do, guys. We can give awards too. Check this out. So, yes, guys. I am now a mod for my subreddit. I'll be posting it on my YouTube channel here, guys. And this is the one I just posted here. So yes, that's all I had to say. Goodbye.